Pressure on line 4 looks optimal.
Massive intake pipelines draw ocean water directly. Inside, turbulent currents reveal the sheer volume. This is the first step in modern salt production.
Reading is steady at 15. All right, mark it down. How's the salinity over there?
This looks perfectly clear, the density seems right. Let's get this back to the lab.
Along these vibrant coasts, seawater begins a colorful journey. Flowing through sequential ponds, evaporation increases its salinity. As the water evaporates, a precise process begins. Tiny cubic structures emerge from the saturated brine. They form a dense, interlocking geometric grid. This is how industrial salt is harvested.
Straight ahead, driver. Watch the line. Okay, lift it up now.
Saturated brine washes raw salt without dissolving the crystals. A high-speed centrifuge then removes the remaining surface moisture. The clean, damp product now moves to the conveyor.